How to use MCP servers in cursors. This is a full guide. Step number 1. Accessing the MCP settings, open the cursor and navigate to the settings panel. Step number 2. Adding the new MCP servers. Provide the descriptive name of your MCP server. Enter the command required. Then step number 3 over here says verify the server status. After adding the server, ensure that it's active by checking the green dot next to the name. Then step number 4 says utilizing the MCP servers. MCP servers enhance cursors functionality by providing access to external tools and services. Then step number 5 over here says troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues, ensure to use the latest version of cursors. Then you might also need to clear the npm cache and also clean or force restart to the latest version. So that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.